What's up, guys? Today we're going to do opposite number. So the prompt here is very simple. Give a number, find its opposite. Examples: if we give 1, we want -1, 14, we want -14, -34, we want 34. So we're just flipping the sign to positive or negative. And if you think about how to do that, this one isn't the greatest. Yeah, this one's not the greatest problem. You just multiply by -1. So 1 times -1 is -1. 14 times -1 is -14. -34 times -1. The two odds cancel out, so it's 34. So let's see. Return -1 times the number. Okay, so that was a short and simple one. We'll move on to the next one. All right, guys.